What's up guys, Chef Anthony here on the Alfa Pizza Oven. Guys, this is gonna change your outdoor cooking game forever. You're gonna be a pizza pro after this model. Check it out, we got the Alfa. We're gonna actually pull the stainless steel tray out right here. Nice door. We got the wood inside. We're gonna build a nice fire for this guy. This Alfa comes in 4 different models. It can come in gas and wood. It has a ceramic fiber insert with a stainless steel. And guys, the best thing about this is it'll heat up to 900 in about 15 minutes. So we're gonna actually jump right in. We're gonna light this guy up so you guys can see. We got some cherry wood in here. We're just gonna burn it up with the wick and start it just like that, all right? The Alfa also has some kind of great accessories, gang. We have the wood holder, we have the cart, comes with all of these great peels too. This is a hook to move your kindling around. So, ton of great options in this guy. Really built a last 2-inch fire brick, and then this is really what's gonna keep these pizzas smoking hot and keep it rolling for a while. So gang, check out our stores, check out our website, look for our Alfa Pizza Ovens at all of our locations.